neutral color look, I'm going to go into my Pro Crown palette. I'm just going to go ahead with these two colors. I'm going to go with that darker brown, and I'm going to use a smaller brush, that way I can blend it in. Even though I'm doing a natural look, I still kind of want it a little smoky. You guys know how I am about my smoky eyes. And just to blend everything out, I'm going to take that first light shade that I used and just start blending it in with the dark color. I want to use that dark color and start blending it in over your eye, just because you're going to have a really dark eye instead of the natural or neutral look you're going for. So I just blend it right over. That way you can see that it's still light, but it still has some definition to the eye. I'll be going in with this color. I'm going to be placing that on the center of my eye. Go in and put my finger in it and just apply it to my eye. Back into my blending brush to make sure everything is blended out. I'm going to go into my Wander Beauty mascara and just apply that to my eyes so we can go ahead and apply the lashes. The lashes, I'm going to go into my Christina Wispy lashes. These are one of the most natural lashes I have. They are really natural lashes. They are 100% human hair, so it makes it look even more natural. So for primer, I'm going to be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and this is the Radiance. And I'm just going to apply this all over my face. This one is really sheer underneath, so it's going to illuminate the face more, and it's going to illuminate the foundation as well. I'm going to be going into my Milani foundation and concealer, and this is the number 2 in Natural. I'm going to go into my Maybelline concealer, and this is the color Sand. Go in and start pushing my powder into my skin. I'm going to go into the Colourpop Keep Me Bronze Bronzer, and I'm just going to bronze up the rest of my face. Contouring and bronzing are two very different things. When you're contouring, you're enhancing your features. Like, you're enhancing your cheekbones, your jawline, your nose, your eyes, whatever you're contouring. When you're bronzing and using bronzer, you're just, you know, you're bronzing your face up more. So a lot of people will do contour with bronzer, which is fine, but it's not going to enhance the feature as much as you would when you contour. I'm just going to use my No Blush in the color Desert Rose and just apply this to my cheeks. Into the Maybelline highlighter in the color Molten Gold and just highlight my face. For lips, I'm going to go into my NYX Natural Liner and just outline my lips. Go into the Bare Minerals Matte Lip. I'm using the color Swag. Since this color is a lot more pink than I originally expected it to be, I'm going to be going in with the NYX Sandstorm Lip Suede color. And I'm just going to place a little bit on top and blend it in. Top it off, I'm just going to go into the Iluvsaraii Glossy Lip and just place that on top. Last thing I'm going to do is go into my Iconic London Prep Set and Glow. And we're just going to shake it up. I'm just going to place some on my chest too. Just going to blend that in. So I like putting it, like when I'm wearing a shirt like this, or a dress or something, I like to place it on my shoulders. And it makes it so glowy and so pretty. Take that lighter color and start putting this under my eye just to give it a lot more definition. Alright, and that does complete my everyday dewy look. If you guys enjoyed, please give me a thumbs up below. Don't forget to subscribe and comment, as well as hit that notification bell at the top of the video, so whenever I post, you will be the first to know. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye!